Okay everyone, today we are back at the Leech Road crossing in Zephyr. Down there is Conception Road 2 you can see here. And we are going to attempt to do some rear-fending today, and hopefully we will see some trains as well. I didn't see any unexpected trains last week, so this is actually my rear-fend trip after it's been a week when I went back here with Michael last week. But this time I'm on my own. So basically this is basically a solo rear-fend trip after it's been a while. Everyone is going to be busy today, but since today is a nice day and I'm not busy, I might as well do some rear-fending here. Tomorrow's going to be raining, so I don't want to get wet. So yeah. If you look at the signal, you can see it's flashing yellow. It was flashing yellow ever since I got in here. And I was here like for 10 minutes already. So I didn't get here not that long. You can see here. Here's the defect detector. You can see here. The cases. And the regular crossing you can see here. Like I said, this crossing has outdoor safe train equipment with a gate mechanism for lights. And across there you can see there's a General Signals Type 2 E-bell that replaced a safe train mechanical bell, I believe 9 or 10 years ago. But I'm not sure. J Jr. 2007 actually filmed this crossing with a mechanical bell because I saw a video on it recently. So basically, there used to be a safe train mechanical bell here. But for Conception Road 2, there used to be a General Signals Type 1 E-bell, and then that was replaced with a Western Carhade's mechanical bell, and then now it has a Safe Train Type 3 E-bell down there. But this one has Safe Train equipment too, I guess much newer than the other ones here. So yeah, hopefully we will see something, and like I said, we'll see how many trains we'll catch. So I'm gonna pause it for now. Alrighty, here's an update. After waiting for almost half an hour of seeing nothing and a lot of flashing yellow, the signal has finally changed to green. So there's a southbound train coming, you can see. Hopefully it's not going to be for long, and hopefully there'll be something, and hopefully something we are too, so yeah. Like I said, I'm happy to say that there's finally going to be something after waiting for half an hour. So yeah, I'm going to pause it for now until that train comes. CN's Zephyr locomotive, 3823, with an interesting K5HL horn, was leading the southbound Intermodal train. And for the second time on this channel, there was 2 locomotives pushing at the end of this train. 3849, which is another Zephyr locomotive, and 2698, which is an IC locomotive. Alright, if you heard that K5HL horn, we have finally gotten our train after waiting for another half an hour or so. It just went through Raven Shoes, so it will be here in a minute. And yes, this crossing has new stickers. Wow, that was really interesting. One Zephyr locomotive is leading, and then another one pushing, and then at the end, with a second locomotive, there was an IC locomotive. The second IC locomotive I saw here in a week. And that lead locomotive had a really interesting K5HL horn you can see here. Sorry about that, I'm just moving over to the tracks, so that way you can see it going down the line. And there it goes. Well, that was an interesting intermodal train with two locomotives pushing at the end, and like I said, one of them is an IC locomotive and then a Zephyr locomotive. So yeah, we will see what else we will see. 5 minutes later, the signal turned to this, and it stayed like this. That's right, it is yellow. It tells us that there wasn't any trains in the area for a while, so I just decided to give up and head on home. Unfortunately, that was the only train I saw as well during the trip to Zephyr. But hopefully next week, I will try to catch some more trains on my next rail fan trip, that will be next weekend, and hopefully it will be better than this week when I only saw that one train. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this short rail fan video in Zephyr. Thank you so much for watching, I really hope you enjoyed this, and that will be it.